watching. Now I'm at busy area on Maha Bandula Road. It's the downtown area, and now let's go out and share some food, some street. Come on. It's the temple, Indian style. They're selling too. This is a bakery shop. Bakery. So he's selling beef tender. It's the afternoon time, so now I'm so starving, and let's find something heavy. Oh, here is an Indian Thai restaurant, so let's go inside. Take a seat here. Let's see. Oh, suddenly the electricity is cut off now. I'm super glad. Now I got my lunch. This one is a butter flavor with rice. Smell is so fragrant. I feel this butter taste. And then this one is a chicken curry with the Indian style. Now let's try with this. Oh, it's really big. Yeah, the chicken, what it is, I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Try some with me, guys. Yeah. So delicious. It's not spicy. Chicken taste is really a little bit sweet. Curry smell is, I feel, masala smell, because it's cooked with made with the Indian style. This price is only 3,000 images, so it's just around $1. Yeah, that's fair enough. When I finish my lunch, the electricity is came back again. Okay, let's go out. Oh, now I'm so thirsty, so let's find some drink. Now I got my juice. It's an orchid juice, just a creamy color. I'm so thirsty, I need to try this one. This is not too bit sweet and so fresh for me. It's a not sour taste, but I saw a lemon. But I'm so fresh. go to other area. It's a restaurant, a market. And snack shop. Some medicine shop. There's two pizza type shop and drink shop. Oh, this one is a fried chicken and chicken skin. In these days, YouTube is not promoting for our channel, so we need your help. Please like and share and subscribe for our Downtown Yangon channel. So it's very helpful for us. Thank you so much for watching. And now I arrived this area is very clean, so I think busy area is ending in this area. So let me show my video here today. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, you will also like this video and this video too. See you next time. Bye bye.